was tired of the noise in my head. Every road felt oversaid. I carried questions I couldn't name. Every sunrise felt the same. I learned how to stand alone, built my strength out of stone. But even stone gets worn with time. Even strong hearts search for signs. You didn't come to rescue me. You didn't promise easy. You just showed me how to rest and let my spirit breathe. I found peace the day I found you. Not fireworks, not the chase, just a quiet kind of truth that finally fell into place. I found peace the day I found you. Like my soul knew where to stay. I wasn't looking for forever, but forever found it away. Oh yeah. I had learned to live alert, guarded joy to avoid the hurt. Smiled wide but stayed unsure, kept my heart behind the door. You didn't force the lock or key. You let trust come naturally. Every word you didn't say taught me more than words could say. You didn't rush what needed time. You let healing draw its line. You walked steady, you stayed true, and peace followed you. I found peace the day I found you. Not because the world was right, but because your presence showed me how to lay my burdens down at night. And I found peace, my voice. Peace ain't loud, peace don't shout, peace don't prove what love's about. It sits beside you when you're weak and teaches strength without a speech. Peace don't promise perfect days, it just doesn't walk away. And in your arms I understood, peace can feel this good. I found peace the day I found you. Not a dream, not a sign, just a heart that felt safe enough to stop racing time.